Hello, I'm Eddie Gill from Cavelon Cybernetics. Today I'll introduce Cavelon's AI-driven systems designed to make online games safer, smarter, fairer, and fundamentally more commercially powerful. While AI is increasingly used across the industry, Cavelon focuses on the foundations of gaming itself. We build intelligent infrastructure that supports fair skill-based play and enables a genuinely new evolution of random games, one that reimagines how value, competition, and rewards are experienced without changing the games players already know. But first, let me introduce you to Cavelon Cybernetics. Cavelon is named after the first successful video game I was involved with in the 1980s, the beginning of a lifetime spent working at the intersection of technology, games, and human behavior. Cavelon is not a game studio, and we are not an operator. We are an AI-driven research and development company. Our work begins with ideas, bold ideas, about how technology, artificial intelligence, and human behavior intersect. We design systems from first principles, not by copying what already exists. We simulate relentlessly, we test assumptions, we stress systems until they break, and then we rebuild them better. When we discover something genuinely new, we protect it through patents, through defensible architecture, and through deep technical understanding. And then we do something very deliberate. We license our technology. We partner with operators, platforms, and global organizations who want to build the next generation of interactive experiences faster, safer, and smarter using proven, validated systems. Cavelon does not compete with its partners. We enable them. We invent, we validate, we protect, and we support long-term success. That is who we are. That is how we work. And that philosophy shapes everything we're about to show you. In today's presentation, we will show how this philosophy applies across multiple domains of interactive play. We will look at normal interactive video games, where player retention and early engagement are critical. We will examine real money skill games, where fairness, liquidity, and long-term sustainability determine success. And we will touch on random or chance-based games, where transparency, control, and regulatory trust are essential. Although these categories appear different on the surface, the systems we design address the same underlying challenge: how intelligence, skill, and human behavior interact at scale. Have you ever noticed that almost every online prize game today is based on chance? Slot machines, lotteries, bingo, scratch cards, and yet real money games of skill are almost non-existent. The reason isn't technology, it's skill imbalance. In traditional skill-based competition, the strongest players win repeatedly. Less skilled players lose repeatedly. They disengage. Liquidity collapses. Unmanaged skill imbalance destroys liquidity. Liquidity loss is why real money skill games fail. To illustrate this clearly, let's look at a real-world simulation.
Welcome to the Cavelon Kart Championship Final. That'll be $20 each for your entry fees.
Anna is the one to beat. She is so fast. Wonderful control by Anna, with Deck Bolt is chasing hard in second place. Anna still out in front as she enters the final lap. Anna wins again. That's now 5 races in row, Kroll. This girl is a true champion.
Congratulations on the win, Anna.
Thank you so much. I couldn't have done it without my team.
That girl is too good for us.
I lost my entry fee, $20 down the drain.
That's my last race. I'm quitting racing for money. I am not wasting any more money on entry fees.
It's so unfair. Pro drivers just walk away with our money.
It needs to be a level playing field.
A level playing field. And that is precisely what Cavelon technology enables. Let's explore further and take a deep dive. In the online world today, skill-based video games featuring real money prizes are almost non-existent. The primary reason is skill imbalance. One of Cavelon's primary goals was to develop AI-based technologies grounded in machine learning that enable the formation of a new market sector, one that supports the creation of safe, fair, and compelling games, where skill genuinely matters and rewards are tangible. Imagine puzzle games like Tetris offering real prize competition, racing titles like Forza rewarding genuine skill in time trials, or quiz formats like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, where players earn real money prizes. Imagine popular casual games like Match 3, bubble shooters, or breakout games. These are familiar formats transformed by fairness, integrity, and intelligent competitive design. Given the global scale of competitive gaming and casual skill play, we believe the emergence of a multi-billion-dollar skill gaming market is not speculative, it is inevitable. Alongside skill-based gaming, Cavelon is also exploring a fundamentally different approach to random games, including slots and other chance-based formats. Our focus is not on changing how these games work or altering their core mechanics or objectives. Instead, we are developing intelligent systems that sit beneath the game layer, shaping gameplay experience and payout behavior in ways that are safer, fairer, and more sustainable, without interfering with randomness itself. To make this possible, across both skill-based and random games, Cavelon relies on a real-time decision intelligence layer that continuously evaluates behavior and guides system responses with precision. At the core of this approach is DEXA Logic, Cavelon's real-time decision intelligence layer that evaluates behavior and guides system responses across both skill and random gaming. DEXA Logic is Cavelon's real-time decision intelligence engine. It continuously evaluates multiple behavioral signals, skill, engagement, risk, and progression, and converts them into actionable logic. Instead of relying on fixed rules or static thresholds, DEXA Logic adapts moment by moment, ensuring that every system response is proportionate, explainable, and aligned with player well-being and commercial stability. The NeuroMatch Matrix is the multi-dimensional behavioral engine that underpins all Cavelon systems. It analyzes every action a player makes, their timing, accuracy, decision flow, risk tendencies, and strategic consistency, and converts these signals into a precise skill fingerprint. This fingerprint allows the system to match players in dynamic real time, ensuring fairness, balanced outcomes, and dramatically better retention. Skill games have the opposite problem. Uneven ability creates unfair matches, churn, and unstable revenue. Our precision tiering system reads real-time behavior and dynamically places each player into the correct skill tier. It creates fairer matches, smoother retention, and a commercially stable skill ecosystem. For random games, we introduce RDSL, the Random Distribution Safety Layer. It doesn't predict outcomes and it doesn't alter randomness. Instead, it shapes volatility into a safe controlled envelope. This protects players from harmful loss patterns and gives operators smoother, more predictable economics with zero changes to game code. Cavelon also provides proof of fairness dashboards. These offer real-time visibility into how games are behaving at a system level, highlighting fairness indicators, integrity signals, and abnormal patterns. They allow operators and regulators to understand what is happening and why, without exposing game logic or player data. It's transparency built directly into the infrastructure. Alongside this, the Human Integrity Shield acts as Cavelon's safety and ethics layer. It continuously monitors play behavior to identify risk, stress, or abnormal patterns, and ensures that all system responses remain fair, proportionate, and human-centered. Now I would like to introduce our AI payout system. It's the heart of the experience. At Cavelon, we believe the future of competitive gaming isn't just about who wins or loses, it's about how rewards are experienced. Traditional systems are rigid. You win or you don't. The outcome is predictable, and over time, predictable systems lose their magic. our AI payout system changes that. We achieve this by ensuring that every match, every contest, and every moment of play feeds into a live intelligence layer that dynamically shapes how rewards are distributed. Skill still matters deeply, but it's no longer the only dimension. The system learns, it adapts, it balances fairness with excitement. Two players can deliver equally strong performances and still experience different reward outcomes, not through chance alone, but through controlled, intelligent variability. This creates anticipation, emotional engagement, and long-term motivation to return. For players, it feels alive. For operators, it drives retention and sustainable monetization. And for regulators, it remains transparent, auditable, and skill-led. This is not gambling. This is AI-enhanced competitive reward design. We hope this has given you a clear sense of how Cavelon technology enables fair, engaging, and sustainable competitive systems designed for players, operators, and regulators alike. If you're exploring advanced AI or machine learning solutions for your business, or if our approach resonates with challenges you're facing today, we'd welcome a direct conversation. You can contact us directly via the email address that follows or via our website. We look forward to building what comes next together.